What's up guys, I'm Dave and this is Tech Unraveled, and today we have another versus challenge. We are going to be taking a look at the Honor Choice X1 True Wireless Earbuds versus the Oppo Enco W51s. So you know what we gonna do, right? This is not a spec rundown. If you want the specs, I'm gonna link the individual videos up here. This is a versus challenge. I'm gonna tell you which one sounds better. You're gonna tell me which mic sounds better. And at the end, we'll know which is the true champ. So sit back, relax, grab your popcorn, let's go. All right guys, up first is the Honor X1s. Let's get these suckers popped in my ears. Let's get the YouTube music app popping. Let's get it opened. Let's get things rocking. Here we go. Let me get the music cranking. I remember last time I listened to these, I was mighty impressed. Highs are super crisp. I could hear all the instruments. Here comes that bass. Boom. Okay. Mwah. All right, I think I heard enough. Solid contender right there. That was some stellar stuff by the Honor X1s. The highs were crispy, the mids were clean, clear. I could hear all the instruments, and the bass hit. The bass hit hard. All right, let's try out the Oppo W51s. Start the song over and play. Ooh, the highs are super high. Here comes that bass. All right guys, so this is actually really close. I'm gonna jump back into the Honors real fast. I don't know. I don't know which is the winner. This is really close. I gotta listen a little more. Hang on. Alright guys, so here's the deal. I've been listening back and forth for a little bit, and I have to say the Oppos definitely have it, not by much. They are a little cleaner, a little crisper, a little louder, and the bass hits a little harder than the Honor Choice X1s, than these guys here. The Oppos take it in the audio portion of the challenge. Now check this out. The X1s are 30 bucks. These are just under 60 bucks. They're pretty close in price overall. Let's see which takes the mic challenge. Let me pop the Honors back into my ears. Alright guys, this is the sound of my voice with the Honor Choice X1 True Wireless Earbuds. How do they sound? This is the sound of my voice with the Oppo Enco W51s. Again, this is how the mic sounds on the Honor Choice X1 True Wireless Earbuds. This is the sound of my voice with the Oppo Enco W51s. Alright guys, so that's what I have for you today. Obviously we know the Oppos win the audio portion of the challenge. Again, let me know down in the comments which mic you think is the winner. If you like this video or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. Peace! I'll talk to you in the next one.